Welcome. In this video I will tell you about the top applications that you can install on your Samsung The Frame TV. So let's start with the video streaming services that don't require any subscription at all, not even signing in. So I'm telling you about the Plex service, which is available as an application. It's one of the most popular ones, so you will easily find it in the apps list, and it basically lets you watch some movies or TV series by showing you the ads before and after the end of the movie or the episode. So yeah, if you don't want to buy any subscription now, you can go with this option. The next one is a Kiddle TV. Of course, it's for kids, so if you have, if you want to download some video streaming application for kids, you can either use YouTube Kids, which is available in the YouTube app. All you have to do is sign into the YouTube Kids account here. Just tap Get Started, then select Add a YouTube Kids profile, and yeah. And then you'll be able to start using YouTube Kids. But if you want, say, an alternative, this is the only one I found here. It's not like worse, but it's neither is it better. From in my opinion, it's kind of well, unusual. But I'm honestly I'm not a kid, so I don't know if I should judge. Let's just go to the following two apps that I wanted to show you. So the music streaming apps, there are only two available, only two that I could find, Spotify and Apple Music. I didn't find no Tidal or any other music streaming services, unfortunately, but yeah, I don't need to tell you anything about them. I think it's pretty obvious, just music streaming services. And the next one is the Haystack News, which is like a universal news app that will let you watch news from, from many different sources like CNN and this News 12, Reuters, Bloomberg Television. So if you didn't get enough news, of course, download this application and install it on your TV. And the last two apps I wanted to show you are for gamers. So the Twitch app, if you're a gamer, I don't need to present it to you, but if you're not, well, this app is basically a streaming service for, well, gaming streamers. So yeah, you just sign into your Twitch account and start watching your favorite streamers and GeForce Now. So if you don't want to buy yourself a console, you can just download this application, buy yourself a monthly subscription for a year maybe, I think it's discounted this way, and buy yourself a controller and connect it to this TV. And then you'll be able to start playing all of your favorite games using this paid online service. And so these are all the apps that I can recommend for you to install on your Samsung TV. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.